Now, forewarned weather with Ashlee Baracy.
I know we mentioned try to limit your time outside and come indoors. Some folks don't have air conditioning, so of course you want to try to find those outlets, as Rhonda just mentioned. But the other thing to take into consideration, when you have this type of heat wave and overnight lows are not getting below 70, you're not getting that relief at night. And so that's what really makes it so dangerous out there. Not just the afternoon highs, but the fact that if you don't have AC pumping in your home, you're not going to see those house temperatures drop through the overnight because the air temperatures are still really warm at night. So National Weather Service has issued an extreme heat watch starting tomorrow morning all the way through Tuesday evening for all of southeastern Michigan. That's due to not just the 90s, but the high humidity, which makes it hard to breathe and also makes those feels-like temperatures well into the triple digits. And so the weather headlines. I do want to point out that we have a couple scattered storm chances before we're really cranking up that heat, and it comes with an approaching warm front. But today, a scattered afternoon storm chance really starting around 2 o'clock this afternoon until 8 p.m. These would be isolated, scattered, strong storms, not really anticipating them reaching severe limits, but they still could be on the stronger side. There will be a chance for possibly a severe storm come tomorrow morning, given that we have a warm front lifting, and then the extreme heat builds in behind that. And so for your Saturday through Tuesday, we're looking at 90s and near 100, if not above, feels like temperatures. Our temperatures right now, though, are not bad at all. 54 in Ann Arbor, 61 at Metro Airport, 61 at City Airport. So just a couple mornings ago, we were kind of sitting around 70 degrees. So it is a cooler start, but we rebound today. 84 for the afternoon high with those isolated storm chances. So that's not a widespread event. And I will say it's a little more prevalent up into the thumb region this afternoon. Muggy meter. So it's muggy today. We have that humidity building in, but we're talking tropical moisture. The air you can wear, you feel like you can slice it starting tomorrow all the way through early next week. So forecasted highs, 90 tomorrow. If we hit 90, it's our first one of the year. If we don't, well, it's a slam dunk that we will come Sunday because 95 is the forecasted high. And then we're into the mid to upper 90s early next week with those triple digit feels like temperatures. So we've yet to hit 90, but we usually average about 13 days a year, and we possibly could get 4 of them in a row this year. 90-degree climatology, we average our first 90-degree day around June 18th. So we're really on par with where we should be for when that extreme heat builds in. But now let's talk storm chances. So throughout the afternoon, you see some of that build into the thumb sinking down into Metro Detroit by about 3, 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and then that pushes out of here. I will show you that warm front that lifts going into early tomorrow, and that could bring some storm chances. Even though models don't pick up on it too much, there is a chance north of I-94 that some of them could be strong. Heading out to the Ford Fireworks on Monday, 97. So maybe you don't stake out your spot too early in the day. Limit your time outside before you get there, and then we will be cooling off with some storms, but still in the upper 80s come Wednesday and Thursday of next week.